Hello everyone, this is Sayantan. Welcome to my channel, and in this particular video I'm going to give my review about the JBL Go portable speaker. I have been using this speaker for around one or more than 1 month, and based on that I am going to give my review about the speaker. First, let's talk about the build quality of the speaker. The build quality is absolutely fine. I don't have any problem with the build quality. It is having some rubber feeling on it, so the grip will be very hard on the speaker, and the size of the device is very nice and it is coming perfectly inside my palm, so you can carry it anywhere you want. Now let's talk about the feature, what all things you can do with this speaker. First of all, you can connect your phone and you can take a call. You can use it as a loudspeaker for the phone. Also, you can play songs. I will play some songs and I will show you how the sound comes. But before going to that, let's see what all buttons are there and how to use this particular device. So on top you will see the on and off button. There is a Bluetooth icon over here, so you will come to know whether the Bluetooth is turned on for the device or not. There is a volume rocker key and the option from where you can take a call directly from the device, so you don't even have to take the call from the phone. You can directly take the call and you can disconnect the call using this particular button. Now you have to charge this device, and it gives a quite decent backup. So for complete charging it will take around 1 hour or more than 1 hour time, and if you are continuously using, it will give a backup of around 24 hours, even sometime more than 24 hours it will give a backup. So decent backup, I will say, because you are not going to use it continuously 24 hours. So how to charge it? You have a micro or mini USB port over here, so you can use your charger, the phone charger or your power bank to charge it. So whenever it is charging, it will show red color light. Once the charge is full, it will turn into a blue light, so you will come to know that the charge has been done properly, the battery is full. Now I will connect this device with my phone and I will show you how to play the music and how the sound will come out. So I will enable the Bluetooth of my phone and I will turn on this device. So once you paired both this device, automatically it will connect. So you can see over here JBL Go is connected with my phone right now, and it's very fast, very responsive. You don't have to struggle a lot with this device to connect with your phone. Now I will play some of my favorite music and will demonstrate you.
There's sunshine on the mountains and a breeze that calls to me. There's a heart that beats forever. It says, come be free. খোলদার বধুয়া রয়েছে সে দাঁড়ায়ে, দেখো পরানো চলে যায়, রয়েছে সে দাঁড়ায়ে। আজ দক্ষিণ হাওয়ার সাথে সে হৃদয়ে নাচিয়া যায়। আজ বধুয়া রাখি পাতে কোন স্বপ্নে লোহায় খোলদার।
I'm sure you must have got some idea about how the sound quality will be. It's absolutely fine sound. If you are into hard rock or if you like very high beat and bass, don't expect those things from this small device, but definitely this device is capable enough to generate very sweet sounds. But if you like soft kind of music and not much of noise and all these things, so you are definitely going to like this sound. It's very smooth, very nice sound, so I am very impressed with the sound quality of this device. Now if you want to connect the device with your phone and receive a call, then you have to turn on the Bluetooth. So both the devices are connected. Now I will make a call from this device. So that is how you can make a call. You can receive a call from this. If incoming calls are coming on to your phone, you can receive the call from using this particular button, and the sound is very loud. Now on the side of the device you can see there is a 3.5 mm jack where you can connect your bigger device. So if you don't want to connect your phone with your bigger device like your 5.1 speaker or music system, then you can directly connect your phone with your Bluetooth device or the JBL Go device, and then this device you can connect with your music system. So without attaching or keeping the phone near to your music system, you can play the music and it delivers absolutely perfect sound. I have used that and I don't have any complaint on that part. So that's my review on the device. Now the big question comes whether it is a value for money product or not. So my call on this is definitely it's a value for money product, because the cost of this device on Flipkart is around 2400 or 2500. But if you wait for the sale and discounts and all these things, definitely you are going to get it in less price, because from Flipkart I bought this device by paying 1200 or 1300, in between 1200 or 1300 rupees. But the current price as per today's date, I have checked, it is showing 2500, and that is the standard price I have always been seeing. But during the sale season I bought it and I got it in 1200 or 1300. But if you are paying 2500, whether it's a value for money product or not, definitely it's a value for money product, because you can carry this portable device anywhere you want. Now if you want to buy this particular product, I will give the link in the description, so check out in my description. I will give all the links whichever available in the market, means from Flipkart, from Amazon. So if you like the product, you can buy it definitely, and don't hesitate. I am very happy with this product. So whether it's a value for money product or not, definitely it's a value for money product. I am using it for last 1 month or more than 1 month, and I am very happy with this product. I am not facing any issue. Even the distance it covers, the Bluetooth distance covers, is very good. So definitely it's a value for money product. If you want to buy, definitely go for it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you feel this video is helpful, give a thumbs up, give a like, and subscribe to my channel, because I am going to bring much more reviews in future. Thank you so much, and see you in my upcoming videos. Thank you.